Hello you viewers, today I'll be going to tell you the difference between meteoroids, meteorites, asteroids and comets. So let's start. Meteoroids are the celestial object which are nothing but the smaller rocks or particle which revolves around the sun. Next part is meteor. When those meteoroids enter in the Earth's atmosphere, and because of the frictional force and thermal energy, it vaporizes and they all are converted into the smallest particles and the smallest rocks. And those celestial particles are nothing but meteors. So let's jump to meteorites. Basically, those meteoroids which successfully pass the Earth's atmosphere and strike the Earth's ground with a huge amount of energy. At that time, the body will be said as meteorites. And asteroids are the celestial objects which are bigger in size but not as planets, and which are nothing but the leftover matter which were responsible for the beginning of solar system. And the last part is comet, the celestial object which consists of icy and dust particles and which pass around the sun with a tail shape is known as comets. These were the difference between of all the different celestial bodies like meteoroids, meteorites, asteroids and comets.